This is day 1 of solving a Rubik's Cube for every follower until I'm top 100 in the Philippines. Today we have 64 followers total, which means we have to solve this Rubik's Cube 64 times. Keep in mind that in order to be top 100, you have to average 8.70 across 5 solves. Time lapse. First solve under 10 seconds. And another sub 10. I'm just gonna be honest, I don't know what happened there. And the timer just broke. That's great. 9s, 9, and oh look, an 8. Another 8. I'm crazy right now.
Shut up, don't say that again.
Alright, my fault. And another 9. And another 9. I'm gonna shut up now. Oh, well, looks good. The solves were finally over, with the best being 8.36 while the average was 9.63. Follow for day 2.